Hey guys, wanted to make a quick video to help with our parent communication piece. So what I've developed is basically a Google form that advisors will send to each of their students' teachers. So each advisor will have a schedule of each of their advisory students in their class. They will go through each student, send a Google form out to you guys, and those teachers will return that information, and then you'll have some data for when advisors contact parents. So advisors will be contacting parents based on the data they receive from other teachers based on the Google form. And like I said at the beginning of the year, advisor teachers, you can contact parents via email, phone, whatever you might have. So, but the main thing is that we're contacting parents about each of our students, and just communicating the good, the bad, the ugly, and everything in between. So I'm looking forward to using this data so advisor teachers can communicate with parents, and we can improve something that's already good, I think, but continue to improve that relationship with our parents. So first thing that's going to happen is, advisors, is I'm going to send you a copy of the teacher, copy of the advisory student check. All right, so you'll get this in an email or on your Google Drive. And basically what you need to do is you need to make a copy. So what happens then is when you add it to your Google Drive, you'll right-click it. You will need to make a copy, and then it'll show something to the side. Then you can go into it, open it up, and you will change it to your name. So where it says Parker, I would write Smith, advisory student check, and if I know that I'm going to send this form out on my student, maybe Cleo Feltner, so I would just put Cleo Feltner at the end, and then I would click send, and I would send that based on the list that I'll provide. You will know all of Cleo's teachers based on her schedule, and you will just email this form, type all their emails in right here, and send. And then I would probably just ask for, in that email, ask teachers, have it back to me give them a couple days so they can go through this. It's not very long. There's 9 sections, about 2 to 4 questions per section, so not crazy. And then once you get this data back, you will go back into it. So after I've sent it out, I come back into my Google Drive, I find my copy, I double click to open it up, and then what I'll do is I'll click responses here, and then you'll have all the data from all the teachers that you sent this to. And to make it super easy, all you have to do is click this create spreadsheet, and that will create a spreadsheet from all responses, all the data you've got. So you can go in and you'll be able to see what teachers might have put for homework. Homework's turned in on time. So you might get 4 teachers that say it's good, rated a number 3, and a couple teachers that might be a 2, another teacher might be a 1. So you can see that, so you'll be able to average that out and relay that information to parents. I will probably make one little adjustment and have you guys put the teacher's name up top here, so that way the advisor knows what teacher is sending that information back. That way if they need to come talk to you a little bit more about that student and what might be going on in class, they can do that. So if you guys have any questions about this, come find me, shoot me an email, give me a call. But advisors will be walking through this again shortly. Thanks.